Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the 11 kinds of adaptive MA model. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the 11 kinds of adaptive MA model. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 296 indicators. And out of those 296 indicators, 116 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 116 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the 11 kinds of adaptive MA model. Quite a mouthful, if I do say so. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we have is a kind of oscillating moving average running through a price action that is projected on a lower panel down here on the bottom. And so this is the price action from above that is, like I said, projected down here on the lower panel. And so basically we are looking for these specific arrows that are purple arrows that are a short signal, or these green arrows that are a long signal. And so pretty simple kind of setup again that we're looking for here. When we get a purple arrow, we're going to go short. When we get a green arrow, we're going to go long. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get here. So we pick up a, nope, wasn't quite within the year there. This one right here, we pick up a long right there on that particular one. And you can see that we get pullback here. Looks like we stayed within our stop though, and we did then take off to the upside, getting us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue to play this forward here just a little bit. So we pick up a short right here on that one, and almost immediately it switches and gives us a long signal, and then almost immediately it switches back, giving us a short. That short does appear as though it worked out for us. Yes, it did. That one would have gotten us to take profit. Then we pick up a long over here on this side. And almost, yep, there we go. Next candle got us to take profit. So not too bad at the moment. Pick up a short right there. Looks like we get a decent little pullback here. May have, yep, unfortunately got us to 190, which means that that one would have stopped us out, and then it continued on in the direction that we wanted it to go in the first place. Those are always frustrating when that happens. All right, we pick up a long over here. Looks like we're going to have a similar situation where almost immediately it's canceled out, and then that one is canceled out. And then it finally hits us with a short right there. But that one gets canceled out for a long. And let's see here. Pick up a short right there. Almost immediately cancels out for a long. Then another short there. Then another long here, which finally gets us to take profit. All right, let's see. Then we pick up a short there. That one got us to profit rather nicely. Continue playing on here. Long right there, but I think we got stopped out on this pullback. Let's see. Nope, not quite. So let's see if it, nope, it rolls over, starts coming back down even further. Definitely hitting our stop on that one. All right, so what I'm going to do now is cut some of the video out here so that way it doesn't get too long. We'll pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are at the end of the year now. Sorry, I got a little overzealous. I just kept taking signals, and before I knew it, I had gotten to the end of the year. So before we count out the signals here, now would be a good time to say that if you are a new trader that you're really just trying to get your bearings, or if you are working on a trading system that you're really trying to dial in and figure out how to get really good gains out of it, or even if you are kind of a struggling trader who have been doing this for a while but still just can't quite get over that hump, what I would recommend you do is join our Discord server. And on our Discord server, we have a Patreon only channel on there. If you join our $9 Patreon, it's super cheap, only $9, then it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel. Within that channel, we give a lot of really good advice, pass along a lot of really good information, and as well as good information, our admins, especially Jay and even Rob, is giving trade ideas almost on a daily basis. And so they're posting charts with where they have marked it up, support and resistance areas, and they explain where they're taking entries, where they're taking profit, and so on. And it will really help you to visualize where you should be dialing in your trading strategy, and those ideal market conditions that you're looking for to really help grow an account. In the last 3 weeks, just the signals that Jay has been posting, the trade ideas, he has grown a small account by 5%, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but even if you put in $1,000 to an account, most brokers will give you 10, 20, even 30 times leverage on your $1,000. With 30 times leverage on $1,000, 5%, that's $1,500. $1,500 in a couple weeks couple weeks is a really good return on investment, especially if you've only put in $1,000 of your own. And so if you're looking to, figure out those kinds of gains, figure out how to grow a small account, I highly recommend you join our Patreon, and you get on our Patreon only channel on our Discord. That will really help you excel the learning curve to get you to where you need to be. All right, so here we go. This is the the long name that I've already forgotten. Let's count them out here. It is the 11 kinds of adaptive MA model. Quite an interesting name, if I do say so myself. So what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So we have 36 signals altogether, 36 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 winners. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Quite an interesting indicator, to say the least. But yeah, it was super weird and throwing a lot of crazy signals. Just not quite going to work. So it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.